Want to watch mature videos on YouTube? If you're 18 plus and on your own device, I'll show you how to turn restricted mode on or off fast and safe. Stay tuned. Quick note, only follow this if you're of legal age and you're not overriding parental or workplace controls. Don't attempt this on devices you don't own. On desktop, open youtube.com and sign in. Click your profile picture at the top right, then choose restricted mode from the drop-down. Toggle it off or on and refresh the page. That's it. Restricted mode intentionally filters out potentially mature content and hides comments, so turning it off will show content that was previously hidden. On mobile, open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings General, then scroll to Restricted Mode and toggle it off or on. Make sure you're signed in to the right account before you change it. If the toggle is gray or keeps turning back on, it may be locked by a network admin, family link or supervised account settings. Or a router/ISP filter. Try checking family link, clearing the app cache, or contacting your admin. If it's a school or work device, ask the admin. You can't override those settings yourself. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and the bell. I post short tech fixes every week. Drop a comment if restricted mode won't turn off and I'll add troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching.